In 2025, the US military still dominates the world stage. But one country is closing the gap faster than anyone expected. China's latest secret weapons are faster, stealthier, and more unpredictable than ever before. From hypersonic glide vehicles that can dodge missile defenses to submarine-launched nukes designed to strike without warning. These 5 Chinese weapons could change the global balance of power, and the US can't easily counter them. First up, the DFZF Hypersonic Glide Vehicle. Launched atop a medium-range ballistic missile, the DFZF can travel at Mach 10, nearly 12,000 kilometers per hour. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles, it doesn't follow a predictable arc. It maneuvers during flight, making it almost impossible for US interceptors like THAAD or Aegis to track and destroy. What's worse, it can carry either a nuclear or conventional warhead, striking within minutes anywhere in the Indo-Pacific. Why it's hard to counter? Because of its unpredictable trajectory and plasma shield during flight, radar systems often lose lock. Even US generals have called hypersonic weapons our biggest blind spot. Weapon number 2. The JL-3 Submarine-Launched Ballistic Missile. This missile is the backbone of China's nuclear second strike capability. It can travel over 10,000 kilometers, putting the entire continental US within reach from Chinese waters. Hidden beneath the ocean aboard the Type 096 nuclear submarine, the JL-3 ensures China could retaliate even if attacked first, a game-changing deterrent that makes preemptive US strikes nearly impossible. Why it's hard to counter? Because it launches from deep under the ocean. The US Navy's satellite tracking and anti-submarine patrols struggle to detect it before it's too late. Weapon number 3. The DF-26, also known as the Carrier Killer. With a range of over 4,000 kilometers, it's designed to strike moving targets at sea, especially US aircraft carriers. Each DF-26 missile can carry a conventional or nuclear payload, guided by real-time satellite updates. If China ever wanted to deny access to the South China Sea, just one DF-26 barrage could disable an entire US carrier group before planes even launch. Why it's hard to counter? The missile's re-entry speed and maneuvering warhead make interception nearly impossible. Even the most advanced US Aegis cruisers would be overwhelmed by a swarm attack. Number 4. The CH-7 Rainbow Stealth Drone. This massive unmanned aircraft looks like a smaller B-2 bomber, capable of long-range precision strikes and electronic jamming missions deep behind enemy lines. It's fully autonomous and built for networked warfare, meaning it can fly in formation with other drones or manned jets, sharing radar and targeting data in real time. Why it's hard to counter? The CH-7's stealth profile and low infrared signature make it almost invisible to radar. In a conflict, it could silently cripple communication systems before the US even realizes it's under attack. And finally, the most powerful weapon in China's arsenal, the DF-41 Intercontinental Ballistic Missile. It's the world's longest-range ICBM, capable of hitting any US city in under 30 minutes. Each DF-41 can carry up to 10 independently targetable nuclear warheads, meaning one missile can strike 10 different cities. It's mobile, hidden in mountain tunnels, and can be launched from anywhere in China, making it nearly impossible to destroy preemptively. Why it's hard to counter? The US Missile Defense Network is designed to intercept a few incoming warheads, not dozens at once. The DF-41's speed, range, and decoys overwhelm those systems completely. Each of these weapons shows one thing clearly: China isn't just copying technology anymore. It's innovating for dominance, and the gap between East and West is closing fast. For the US and its allies, this means the next decade will define the balance of global power. Will America adapt quickly enough, or will these Chinese systems rewrite modern warfare? Only time will tell. This is The Fact File. Subscribe for weekly defense insights, global security updates, and real military analysis, simplified for you.